Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and become a part of our crew. So for today, I have 3 boxes from the same company. These are all 3 of the boxes that they offer, and they are all from Mrs. and Ms. subscription boxes. And I'm super excited to get into these with you guys today. I will be doing one today, one tomorrow, one the day after. So be sure to stay tuned to see what comes in all of these boxes. And if you'd like to see, then just keep on watching.
I gave you my heart.
Okay, you guys, before we get into these boxes, let's talk a little bit about the company. So this is the Mrs. and Ms. subscription boxes. It is a mom and a 14-year-old daughter who started this company, which I think is so amazing and so cute. You do get free shipping in the US. I have all of the July boxes sitting right here, so we'll be getting into the July boxes. Let's talk prices. So if you get this subscription box monthly, you would be paying $24.99 a month. If you get it the 3-month plan, you will be paying $65.97 prepay. If you get the 6 months plan, you will be paying $19.99 a month. And if you get the 12 months plan, you will be paying $17.99 a month. But you know what? How about I just throw a code at you guys so I can save you some coin. If you use the code PR10OFF, which I will leave right here on the screen for you, you will get 10% off your first box if you sign up for the monthly subscription or the 3-month plan. Or if you would really like to sign up for the 6-month plan or the 12-month plan, you can get your first box 20% off if you use the code PR20OFF. And of course, I'll leave that right there for you guys. If you'd like to check this out at any point during this video and you want to go check out their website, I'll have it linked down below for you guys. This company started in April of this year, so a fairly new company. And I'm super excited, so let's get into it. So there is 3 different boxes available in their store. There is the PMS Pampering Box. It's so cute. It says, enjoy your time of the month. Oh, that one's going to be nice. I already know it. And then there is a box from home. I wonder what could be in there. And then there's every tool a girl needs. I think that's the one we're going to get into. What do you think? Yes. Let's open this bad boy up. I'm so excited. Wow. This is packed. Okay. Sorry, that caught me off guard. That's what it looks like when you open the box. Okay, it has a list of everything that's in there, but I don't want to look at that right now. I want to be surprised. It is so hot where I live right now. It's been in the high 90s. So we got some squigglies. Okay, and first I'm seeing this, which you guys, this box is so like perfect because I just moved into my new house. So this box works out perfectly for me right now. That popped into my head and I'm like, oh my gosh. Okay, this is electrical tape with a dispenser. Electrical tape. Ooh. Cool. Every girl needs that in their house. I know that the boys, when I was living with the boys, they used electrical tape a lot, so that will come in handy. Oh, cool. Magnetic clips for like your fridge, so you can like clip on recipe cards, or you know, like when the boys come home, I can hang up their artwork. Yes. Okay. This one right here. Microfiber cleaning towels. Yes, for the kitchen or the bathroom. I believe it comes with 2. Yep, it's a 2-piece. Yay. Let's actually open it up and see how big they are. Oh, okay. a little bit bigger than a standard washcloth, so I like that. So you got like, my camera's not really picking it up. It's picking up more of a like a pea green, but this is like neon yellow. There we go. There, it's picking up a little bit. It's like neon yellow. And then this is a really, really cute, like turquoise. It's turquoise camera. Come on. It's like a turquoise blue. Super cute. Perfect. There is so much in here. Okay. Oh, these are cool. Oh, I'll definitely hang these up. Okay. These are removable hooks. They hold up to 1 pound. And they're the little tabs that you pull so they don't, like, you don't have to like screw anything into your wall or anything like that. I love it. I've always wanted to try these too. Awesome. Perfect. Okay. Oh, yes. Everybody needs these in their home. Super glue. That'll definitely be going up in the highest, tallest closet in my house though, because 2 small boys, no bueno. But these will come in handy for like when the boys' toys break and stuff like that. And they are rough. So this will come in handy, definitely. Awesome. Oh, yay! It's a, what's it called? Tape measure. Duh. I knew that. I may be a girl, but I do know tools. It's a tape measure. So, definitely helpful. Absolutely. I just can't get over, like, it is stuffed full, you guys. I have never seen a subscription box with this many products in one box before. Like, this blows FabFitFun out of the water. Like, this has more products than FabFitFun. Okay. So, next up, we have Carabiner Clips. Yes, yes, yes. These work really well if you're, like, walking with your stroller and you clip these to your stroller and you can hang groceries off of it. Absolutely. Or if you just don't want to take 10,000 trips from the car, life hack, you can use those. Okay, what else? What else? Ooh, yes. Oh, cool. It's an LED flashlight and it has the flashlight mode and a lantern mode. Oh, that's cool. In case the power goes out. Actually, the power went out at my house like 3 days after I moved in. That would have been helpful. Okay. I'm so excited. Okay, cool. This box just speaks to me, okay? Because I have 2 small boys. They're rough. And this is a needle and thread sewing kit. So when they rip and tear their favorite clothes, they won't let me throw in the garbage. I can at least try to mend them first. So perfect, perfect. And there's 10. There's 10 needles in there with 10 different threads. That's awesome. No way. Yes. Thank you. Oh my gosh. So with everything going on in our world right now, and I'm getting so dangerously low on my hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizer. And it has vitamin E and aloe vera extract. Yes. Oh, and it has a safety seal. We love safety seals over here. Okay, got that off. Mine as well, right? You can never be too careful. Always, always, always wash your hands. Always sanitize after going into the store. We want everybody to stay safe. Yes. Now my hands are a little wet. Okay, there we go. Oh, yay! Craftsman. Craftsman's a really good company. It's a Phillips? Yes. A Phillips screwdriver. Which is always, always, always helpful in a house because most of these screws around my house that I've noticed have been Phillips. So, yay. Super helpful. Ooh, what else? What else? Oh, yay. Something else that I didn't even ever think about having. A first aid kit. I'm gonna have 2 small boys here. Of course I'm gonna need a first aid kit. Thank you. That is so awesome. Okay, and then next up, this is interesting, is a tie down. A 10-inch stretches to 15-inch heavy-duty extra strong hooks. I don't know how it stretches because that's, wow. There we go. That's a workout. But yeah, awesome. Never know when you'll need it. At least it will be in the house. And then, yay, of course, some duct tape. Yes. Duct tape fixes everything. Love me some duct tape. I don't have any in my house right now, so that's awesome. Oh, wow. Here is, I don't have to use a knife anymore. I can just use the box cutter to open my boxes from now on. So we have a box cutter, and it comes with 2 extra blades and 1 blade inside. So yes, that's awesome. Okay, and then we're getting kind of low to the bottom of the box now. We have some Goo Gone. Yay! So when the boys like go and sneak and put stickers on the bathroom mirror, I don't have to be super worried about how am I gonna get these off. I'll just go reach for my Goo Gone. That sounded like a commercial. Okay, is this the last thing right here? Yes, it is. Last but not least, we have the to-do list sticky notes. Decide, commit, focus, succeed. Aw, I love that. Wow, that was a lot. Let's recap and let's count how many items came in this box because I'm blown away. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Is that everything? That's everything, right? 17 products in one box. And they are all things I will use. I will absolutely use these in my house. Wow, that was an outstanding box. So I was just looking at the card and it has listed everything that's in the box, and everything that's listed is in my box. So what did you guys think? I thought this was pretty outstanding. What did we say? 17 items in one box for $24.99? We paid $25 for Boxycharm and we get 4 to 5 items? Wow. Okay, you guys, this is awesome. I can't wait to get into the other 2 boxes. Definitely stay tuned for those. Comment down below what you guys think about this box, and I love you guys so very much, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Love you. Bye.